Thinking. The power we are endowed with at the beginning of life empowers us with the ability to perceive changes and expect a healthy life. Thinking inspires us to innovate continuously, to provide excellent products for the green, healthy lifestyle. In the year 2012, a group of far-seeing entrepreneurs brought new thoughts into the tobacco and smoking paraphernalia industry. SMISS has developed from nothing to an enterprise with leading technology of producing marketing research integration, PMR integration, into the industry. Thinking, injecting unlimited power for each and every one of our strides, has established a green, healthy, trustworthy enterprise for smokers around the world. Because of Thinking, we have gathered top technical talent in the industry by perceiving customers' demands. Every gaze of SMISS is bearing the true essence of life. With innovative thinking, we confront rapid technology upgrades. With business collaboration based on leading technological development and outstanding product quality, SMISS brings new thinking into the industry, as well as the green, healthy life experience to customers all over the world. Thinking enables us to be everywhere. Deeply, we understand the longing for a healthy life. We therefore devote our reputation and responsibility into each process of manufacturing and infuse the glorious humanity into the cold technology. From China to the United States, and from the United States to the globe. By providing the most complete, convenient, and efficient services, our 120-member professional service group converts each value-based core concept to customer satisfaction. Thinking enables us to absorb more nutrition outside of work. Whether physical or psychological, we create diversified platforms for thoughts and dreams. Through actively sharing the life essence and wisdom of the top talents, we keep ourselves to be constantly inspired and self-improved. Thinking enables us to consider more about the future. We seize the development pulse of the times and deepens patterns of the enterprise with the forward-looking, innovative thinking, constantly updated technologies, and reliable cooperative partnerships. We are becoming the new R&D leadership of innovative tobacco and smart smoking accessories industries, leading the trend of smart cigarettes, helping the green, healthy lifestyle, dedicated to a higher standard cigarette. SMISS, your life, we care.